Alright, so these folks want to be able to sit in this swing I'm sitting in, look out at the pool, not get beat by the sun in the afternoon. They've got grandkids, they want to be able to see them play. This is going to allow them to sit out in the out in their pavilion and watch the kids play. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is a Suntech 90. Sun's still not low. It's not late in the afternoon, it's 1:30, but you can see how the sun would be over those trees. It would be just killing them.